to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And if you aren't, thank you for coming back and joining me. I'm a 23-year-old entrepreneur living here in Dallas. I've been living here since October, and I wanted to give you guys the tea on how to find apartment deals, how much it actually costs to live here in Dallas. If you want to know more about the apartments mentioned in this video, the names of them, the pricing, and different stuff about moving to Dallas, the link below is going to be a RadPad link. Click on it, you fill out the information, tell them your budget, and they'll be in touch to help you find exactly what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So this is the first apartment that I went to go tour, and it is super modern, and I just love everything about this apartment, including the location. This one bedroom is starting at around $1,300. You can also find studios that start about $950 here in Dallas. So that's what I love about using RadPad. Instead of searching for all these things, all you have to do is fill out the form. You'll get an agent, and they help you find everything within your budget, within the location that you want to live in, and also they'll help you find stuff with specials. Next up is my dream apartment. This is the second apartment I went to go tour, and it's a luxury apartment in Victory Park, which is a really nice area here in Dallas. There's a lot of stuff around that area. The Mavs play around here, as well as all of the concerts. So this just shows you that if you're looking for luxury living, you also can find it here in Dallas. Now, of course, it's gonna cost you a little bit more, but this is my dream apartment. It is absolutely beautiful. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, floor to ceiling windows, absolutely dreamy. This is somewhere that I would want to move. So definitely RadPad caters to everyone, whether you have a luxury budget or you're just wanting to live nice and modern, or if you like more of a rustic feel. I also went to go see a rustic apartments that I'll show a little bit later. But guys, look how beautiful this apartment is. So if you guys don't know, RadPad actually helped me find my first apartment here in the city, and they found me a place that had a special in a location that I love. So I ended up getting 1 month free. I self-prorated it, and every single month it took my rent down $100. They'll help you find specials, and it's super easy. It really takes the stress out of apartment hunting. So that's what I love about RadPad. I definitely recommend their services because, guys, it is free, literally free. You pay no money, it's no stress, and it takes the hassle out of moving and finding somewhere to stay, especially if you're not here from Dallas. The RadPad agents are people who actually live here in Dallas. This apartment also had a resort-like pool, and guys, this apartment is goals, okay? This is the third apartment that I went to go tour, and these are a little bit more affordable, which I love. Everybody needs affordable options. The 1-bedrooms are starting at about $1,000, and the 2-bedrooms are starting at about $1,500. So this is more of my price range and something that I would recommend to someone who's just now moving out. Still very, very nice, but also really affordable and in a good neighborhood. So Dallas kind of has something for everybody and everybody's price budget. They also have a platform that you can use to pay your rent, and there's so many benefits of using their platform versus just paying your landlord. They have lower debit and credit card payment fees, and also you can pay online. Some landlords only accept checks, so with RadPad you can pay online, and also you can get your rent payment reported to the credit bureau. So it helps you build your credit while you're paying rent, and this is something to look forward to because it'll help you, build your credit to qualify to buy a home, which is what I'm going to be looking into in the next year or so. So this is the last apartment that I went to go look at. It has more of like a rustic feel to it, but I wanted to show you guys a different look versus the luxury or just modern. Definitely reminds me of Texas. I want to know down below in the comments which apartment is your favorite, and please let me know, how is the cost of living where you live? Is it kind of similar to here in Dallas, or is it more or less expensive? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you kind of an idea of how much it costs to live here in Dallas. If you want any more videos about living here, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out RadPad. I'll have the link down below. Love and blessings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.